Hannah from Stitching Kitchen. Today I'm going to talk to you about embroidery, and specifically I'm going to show you how to do chain stitch. Chain stitch is one of my real favourites. It's really good for edging a piece, and it also works extremely well to fill in larger areas too. It's really popular when I teach it in my Learn or Stitch or Two workshops here at Stitching Kitchen, but also it's something that I go to a lot when I'm doing my textile art. So let's get started.
So I've got a length of stranded cotton which is about as long as my arm, which I've split in two, so I've got 3 strands here. I'm going to thread my needle, which is bound to be a complete disaster because I'm being filmed and I'm not wearing my reading glasses. So, oh no, we're okay. So needle threaded, pull a small amount through, and I usually pinch it so it's nice and straight. Now, you may have heard my dog growling in the background. First things first, I'm going to do a knot. So the way that I do that is to put the end of the thread down towards the eye of the needle, wrap around a couple of times, pinch it firm and pull through. So now we've threaded the needle, we're going to do chain stitch today. So we come up from underneath the fabric. So pull your needle up to the surface. Then you leave a loop as you return close to where your first stitch started, and you're going to leave a loop. Now the length of your stitch will be determined by where your needle comes up, and I'm going to do a stitch around about 4 or 5 millimeters long. So you pull up and you pull, and you'll find there you've got a little chain link. The next stitch, you'll put the needle down inside the first chain, leave a loop, so this creates the second chain in the link in the chain. Come up around about, again, another 4 or 5 millimeters along. Chain stitch can be as long or as short as you wish, and you can pull it really taut and make it very tight, or you can leave it a little bit looser, as I am today. There are lots of variations on this stitch, but this is the basics. So again, come up roughly there, and I'll do one more just to, I'm sure you've got the hang of this now. So you come up and down inside the link of the chain, and then on your last one, so we've got a chain of 4 links there. This last one, we're going to anchor it by coming back just beyond the thread. So you're anchoring the end of the chain down. There we have it.
Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you found the video really useful and that you're well on your way to perfecting chain stitch. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and hit the like button. And if you're interested in finding out more about what I get up to here at Stitching Kitchen, do press the subscribe and hit the bell to hear exactly when the next video is released. See you soon.